A clothing business finds there's a linear relationship, think y equals mx plus b, between the number of shirts n, and that it can sell and the price p it can charge per shirt. In particular, historical data shows that 1,000 shirts can be sold at a price of $40, while 3,000 shirts can be sold at a price of $20. We're going to find a linear equation in the form of p of n equals mn plus b that gives the price p that they can charge for n shirts. And we're used to thinking of price controlling like how many things you can sell, but in this case, it'll be the how many shirts we sell will kind of dictate the price. And we can do this because it's a linear relationship, so we'll have an inverse. And it's telling us that the n is our x, so if we have our slope equation, we're going to change the x to n sub 2 and n sub 1, and the y sub 2 and y sub 1 will become a p sub 2 and p sub 1. Now we just need to list the points. We have the point 1,000, 40. And do note that this is going to be in the form of n, p. And we also have the point 3,000, 20. Once we list our points, we just put it into our slope equation. And it can be helpful to list it as here's n sub 1, my first n, my first p, my second n, and my second p. So then when I put it into the slope equation, I'm going to have 20 minus 40 divided by 3,000 minus 1,000. And that's going to equal negative 20 divided by 2,000. And putting this in the calculator gives us negative 0.01. That's going to be our slope. So to find the b in this, we need to use either point. I'm going to use this top one, and we're going to put in 40 in for p sub n, or p of n. So 40 equals my slope, which is negative 0.01, times my n, which is 1,000, and then plus b. Negative 0.01 times 1,000 is negative 10. So 40 equals negative 10 plus b. Add 10 to both sides. That's the opposite or inverse of a subtracting 10 or a negative 10. And that's going to give us a b value of 50. Do note you could use the point slope formula for this, but a little more complicated, I think, not necessary. So our final equation will be p of n is going to equal our slope, which is negative 0.01. Be careful because it may want you to put the multiplication symbol here. I don't know why it wouldn't read it, but apparently it's not. Times n, that's our variable that we want. It's right here. And then plus our b, which we found to be 50. So if you have any questions, ask your math teacher.